The culture here at Hilti is welcoming, and as soon as I joined on my first day, I felt that I was right at home. My name is Rashid. I graduated from Al Jazeera Institute with a background of electrical engineering. But my true passion lies in HR, basically in recruitment. With 2 years of extensive experience in the recruitment industry, I've joined Hilti and the talent acquisition team. I've chosen Hilti because of the phenomenal culture of development and growth, along with the opportunities they provide. Clear expectations of what you need to do within the company, and which made my transition clear and smooth. Hilti places a strong emphasis on diversity, equity, and inclusion, specifically amongst UAE nationals. Working alongside 50 different nationalities who share common values has been truly a surreal experience. Being a part of the Hilti family has been a wonderful experience. The shared commitment to success and the supportive environment has excited me for my journey here at Hilti. The culture here at Hilti is absolutely fantastic. As a new joiner, I feel right at home.